Bangladesh has observed the World Food Day 2008 with a very colorful celebration. World food security, the challenges of climate change and bioenergy is the theme of this year's World Food Day on 16th October, the day that FAO was founded in Quebec City in 1945. The World Food Day is celebrated in Bangladesh in the context of the implications of soaring food prices, and related issues were considered at the recent high-level conference on world food security involving the UN Secretary General, 181 governments and 41 heads of state or government that took place at FAO headquarters from 3rd to 5th June. World Food Day provides an occasion to once again highlight the plight of 862 million undernourished people in the world. Most of them live in rural areas where their main source of income is the agricultural sector. Progress towards the World Food Summit goal of reducing their numbers by half by 2015 has already stalled. Global warming and the biofuel boom are threatening to push the numbers of hungry even higher in the decades to come. Food security and climate changes are the overriding challenges in Bangladesh. It is obvious that the prices are soaring in Bangladesh as a consequence of the world trend affected millions of people in Bangladesh. Climate change affects food production directly through changes in agroecological conditions and indirectly by affecting growth and distribution of income. The frequency and severity of events such as cyclones, floods, hailstorms, and droughts can hamper crop yields and local food supplies. Considering that agriculture remains the principal source of income for a vast proportion of Bangladesh, the negative impact of climate change on production will lead to significant negative effects in income. On last 16th October, World Food Day 2008 was organized by the Ministry of Agriculture and FAO in the Bangladesh-China Friendship Center. The program started with a colorful rally by the officials from different organizations and the school children where they carried this year's theme. The rally started near the Parliament Bhavan and ended at the Bangladesh-China Friendship Center. An art competition of school children were arranged on the climate change effects, where students from different schools participated in different age category. In the inauguration of the World Food Day and the Agriculture Fair, the Chief Advisor Dr. Fakhruddin Ahmed attended as the chief guest. Among others, Agriculture Advisor Dr. C.S. Karim, FAO Representative Mr. Ad Speakers, and Joint Secretary Ministry of Agriculture Dr. Momen addressed in the inauguration.
Climate change affects everyone, but the poorest regions are already the first victims. Hence, the threat of the climate change will result in more frequent extreme weather patterns, causing shortfalls in agricultural production with negative impacts to access to food.
The Agriculture Advisor Dr. C.S. Karim in his speech mentioned that the country has successfully fought 3 devastating disasters almost without any preparedness. Such splendid achievements are to be followed by many countries. This kind of endeavors are the glorifying examples of national solidarity, firm determination and self-confidence of our people. We not only fought against these disasters, but also successfully rehabilitated the distressed people. The Chief Advisor Dr. Fakhruddin Ahmed in his speech suggested to boost up domestic food production to ensure food security and strongly suggested a switch from the rampant chemical-dependent farming to ensure sustainable agricultural system through innovative alternatives. He praised the farmers for reaping bumper harvests by tackling successive natural disasters and said food stocks now stand at nearly 1.3 million tons, the highest in the last 8 years. He said, though it is not possible to fully control the impact of climate change, the government is carrying out various efforts to overcome problems by adapting various options. International coordination and awareness is needed much in this matter. He called for domestic and international cooperation and combined efforts, including the efforts of scientists, meteorologists, farmers, public representatives and policymakers.
এই জাদুঘর ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্মের নিকট আমাদের কৃষির ঐতিহ্য, সমস্যা, সমাধান ও সম্ভাবনাও তুলে ধরবে।
The chief advisor then declared the grand opening of the 2 days fair organized in the center. The fair was attended by different government, non-government organizations, private sectors and development partners like USAID, Asian Development Bank, DFID, World Food Programme and FAO. There were 48 stalls, information booths from different organizations that were displayed by their technologies, products, activities and information. The 2 days fair were very well organized and people were in festive mood in the fair with their curiosity. The day was also observed with 2 technical paper presentations. Scientists, policymakers and civil society members attended the seminar. In the afternoon after the inauguration, a village fair was organized 3 hours outside Dhaka. Advisor Dr. C.S. Karim, an FAO representative in Bangladesh, attended the Farmers' Fair. This program was live telecasted by the media partner Channel I from the village. Huge numbers of farmers and local people attended the fair. The fair was presented with agricultural technologies, local farming practice, and local cultural program by the village people. At the end of the fair on 17th October, about 20,000 of people visited the fair and they emphasized that this sorts of occasion should be organized every year with more participation of different organizations, farmers and the development partners to highlight the food security issues and aware people and elites to have more involvement in achieving food security. There was also a prize-giving ceremony at the end of the fair to different organizations for their stalls, information booths with outstanding performance. Bangladesh is in the forefront of the challenges of climate change and food security. Even then, the achievements are also significant.